In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to get a free virtual credit card in 2025. Now, there's actually many different services that we can go ahead and use, but one of the most reliable ones is definitely privacy.com. And before you guys say anything, no, I am not sponsored by them or anything like that. It's just that I do think that their service is good, and there's obviously a lot of great reviews around privacy.com. So yeah, we do have a lot of different options, so you guys could obviously use something else apart from privacy.com, but you just want to make sure that you do go ahead and do your due diligence and do your research. But for this video, we're going to be using privacy.com in order to get our free virtual credit card. And obviously, we can go ahead and use our free virtual credit card in order to make purchases online, or just to hide ourselves so we don't actually have to risk our bank details online. The first thing you want to do is just open up any web browser and then look up privacy virtual credit card. Then go ahead and select on the first link over here on the official privacy.com website. So if you never made a privacy account, then you need to go ahead and press on this button over here that does say sign up for privacy. So go ahead and just press on that like so. And now all you want to do is you want to go ahead and enter in your email address and your password. Now you want to make sure you remember this information, because if you forget it, then that could be a serious issue, guys, and you really don't want to forget this sensitive information. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter my email address and make a password. All right, once you're done with that, go ahead and press on get started. And again, I'm going to walk you through the entire process. And now it is going to send you a confirmation link to the Gmail that you did provide. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up my Gmail really quickly. All right, so your email should look something like this. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press confirm email address. All right, once you're done with that, you will now get a page that does look like this, and you will notice that we will get this menu over here where it says getting started. So let's go ahead and actually start making our first virtual credit card. So let's go ahead and press on that. So you guys can go ahead and actually select privacy cards you would like to create. You can also skip and create your own custom cards over here. So if you want to go ahead and pay something like your AT&T or your Wi-Fi or maybe like a streaming service, then you can absolutely do so right over here, which is honestly pretty cool. So again, this is really up to personal preference, but for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and select on skip. All right, so then it is going to open up something that does look like this. So let's just go ahead and press on this option that does say finish signing up, and then it's going to give you a pop-up that looks like this, and you just want to go ahead and select on whichever one applies to you. So I'm just going to be selecting on myself. And now what you need to do is you need to go ahead and enter in your personal information. So I'm just going to go ahead and really quickly enter in all this information, and then I'm going to go ahead and press on next. Then it is going to ask you for your billing address. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter it in, and then I'm going to go ahead and press on confirm address. So I'll be right back. Then it is going to ask you for the last digits of your social security number. So you want to go ahead and just enter it in, and then it is going to ask you to actually confirm the information. So you just want to double check everything, make sure that everything is correct. And once you make sure that everything is correct, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on yes, this information is correct. And then you need to go ahead and enter in your phone number. And now it is going to send your phone number a confirmation text. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and look out for a message. So there you go. I just got the code. So it is a 5-digit code. And now we need to go ahead and actually link a funding source. And in this case, it is going to be a bank account. Now, keep in mind that privacy will only work with US checking accounts, not credit cards or savings. So you got two options over here. All right, so then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on connect and enroll, just like so. And then it is going to open up a list of all the available banks over here. So you want to go ahead and look for your bank, or you can go to the search bar and then just look up the bank that you're trying to go ahead and connect. But here's my bank, but I'm just going to go ahead and log in with my bank really quickly. And it is now going to open up a platform called Plaid. Now, Plaid is a really safe and secure platform, and it basically allows you to connect your bank account to certain services. They also use this for things like Venmo and Cash App. So it is reliable. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on continue. Then you want to go ahead and enter in your phone number. It is going to send you a confirmation code to the phone number that you did input. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just look out for a verification code. The verification code will be 6 digits long. So let's go ahead and enter in ours. All right, so now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and actually log in using the bank platform. Now, this will actually depend on what bank you did pick. So it might look slightly different, but the point is you want to go ahead and actually log in using your bank. And then once you went ahead and logged in, it is actually going to connect privacy.com to your bank account. So let's just go ahead and press on continue to log in. And I'm just going to go ahead and log in with Citibank really quickly. It's going to open up a pop-up that does look like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and actually enter in all this information, and I'll be right back with you guys. All right, once you're done with that, it is now going to go ahead and take you back to Plaid. So you might need to go ahead and do some confirmation with like your phone number and stuff like that. So be prepared to do that. Anyways, guys, now that the account is connected, you just want to go ahead and press on continue. And then over here, it is now going to give you a rundown of the fees of your credit card. So you want to go ahead and just double check all this information and make sure you do understand. Over here, it is going to tell you your annual fee. And then over here is some more information as well. So let's go ahead and press on agree and continue. And then let's go ahead and press on close. All right, guys, and then your card will be right over here, and you can see your card number and stuff like that. And basically, whenever you go ahead and actually check out of certain stores, you can go ahead and just use this information. It is going to go ahead and give you the card number, the expiration date, and the 3 digits as well. So it is going to give you the nickname of the card. It is also going to tell you the transaction limit, and over here it is also going to tell you the funding source. Then towards the right, it is going to give you a list of the transaction history. So you guys can definitely go ahead and take a look at that. But we also do have a Chrome extension as well. So if you want to go ahead and make your purchases faster and you basically want it to autofill for you, then you guys can go ahead and actually get the privacy Chrome extension. So that is definitely something you guys can go ahead and take a look at. It is completely up to you. And then over here where it does say cards, you can go ahead and basically look at your card one more time. And if at any point in time you need to go ahead and like close your card or whatever, then you need to go ahead and press over here where it does say close. And it's really important that before you even start using the card, that you know how to use all these features, because you never know what could happen and you may need to go ahead and actually use these features. And then over here, it is going to say activity. So from here, you want to go ahead and take a look at the summary. And over here, it is going to tell you your cashback earned, your promo credits and stuff like that, the amount of money you spent. And over here is your card as well. And it is basically going to let you know what the performance of your card is, all the transactions, the money coming in, money coming out and stuff like that. It is all going to appear right over here. So basically, once you're done with that, you guys can go ahead and now start using your virtual credit card online. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe as we are trying to reach 10,000 subscribers. I will see you in the next tutorial.